everyone, and especially to you for watching this video. So Christmas is now over, so it's time to get these girls in their New Year's party dresses. And some of them, I like to dress them from head to toe, so some of them is going to need jewelry, and some of them is going to need shoes. So for these dresses I will need my sewing machine, and and for some of the dresses I will I'm just going to use my glue gun. I will use glue gun. So for today in this video I'm just going to make Mary's dress. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, this is just elastic band. This is just white, and this is also stretchable. It's like a glitter with sequins that's also stretchable, so that's what I'm going to use for her dress. It's actually going to be easy. Just follow me along. I'm going to fold it in half, and then put a body on, because I wanted according to a body size, just underneath the breasts. And just the look, I put it on the edge of the body, so on a straight line on this one side is then just a straight line, and then put it just on that fold there. Okay, and then on the other side, go against the body and just make a marking. Okay, so I'm just gonna pin it. And then I'm just going to sew on that line I've just drawn. So yeah, I'm going to a machine now. So okay, I sew it on that line there. So now I can cut off the excess, this little seam, just not too close to the sewing. Just a little, yeah. I can take out the pin now. Turn it inside out. Okay, and this will be a struggle to get it on. But there you go, it's on. So now this one I want to do is just around the waist here. And that's it there. Okay, so I'm just going to sew this just close here quickly. Okay, so I just sew it close. I'm just gonna cut off the excess here. I know I'm using this little scissor for that. Just don't want it to be too bulky. Okay. Make sure this is in the middle at the back. And then just put it inside out. 'n bietjie tog. Okay, so I'm just going to sew this, just close here quickly. Okay, so I'm just going to sew it close. I'm just going to cut off the excess here. Okay, so I'm just going to cut off the excess here. Okay, so I'm just going to cut off the excess here. Okay, so I'm just going to cut off the excess here. Okay, so I'm just going to cut off the excess here. Okay, so I'm just going to cut off the excess here. Okay, so I'm just going to cut off the excess here. Okay, so I'm just going to cut off the excess here. Okay, so I'm just going to cut off the excess here. Okay, so I'm just going to cut off the excess here. Okay, so I'm just going to cut off the excess here. Okay, so I'm just going to cut off the excess here. Okay, so I'm just going to cut off the excess here. Okay, so I'm just going to cut off the excess here. Okay, so I'm just going to cut off the excess here. Okay, so I'm just going to cut off the excess here. Okay, so I'm just going to cut off the excess here. Okay, so I'm just going to cut off the excess here. Okay, so I'm just going to cut off the excess here. Okay, so I'm just going to cut off the excess here. Okay, so I'm just going to cut off the excess here. Okay, so I'm And there you go, quick and easy dress for a party. Okay, and then luckily for Mary, I don't have to make her any jewelry or shoes. She already got some. Okay. Okay, for earrings, it's just this little, well, one of the dolls came with this little earrings. So it's plastic, but I'm going to put it in. That's going to fit by a dress. Nice, I think. Yes. And I'm not going to put anything around the neck because of all the bling here on top already. So then for the bracelets, it's just this little, it's from jewelry, little bead rings that is just the right size to put around their arms. Okay, luckily the hands can go out, so I'm just going to put that there. I mean the hands can come out. And there you go, she's got some jewelry around the wrist. And then the shoes, I already made the shoes in the previous video. I will put a link here in the corner where you can see where I made this little beautiful shoes. I actually thrift some shoes. So yeah, there's a shoes thing. So like I said, she doesn't need anything. And there you go, she's good to go for the party. I just need to do something with the hair, but yeah, I think she looks gorgeous. Quick and easy. Okay, so until next time, bye.